Trade recap trade journal for February 12th, 2024. Another trade to pull, challenge, small account challenge. Today was a pretty good day. Could have been so much better too. There was pretty good movement, and I pretty much was 3 for 3, I believe, or 4 for 4. Days like today really give me a little boost of confidence after coming off of a loss, and helps me realize what's possible here. And the first trade I took was BMR. This morning I slept through this. I didn't pre-market. I didn't see any of this action, but this would have been an easy trade in the pre-market. But saw this little kind of wedge forming under the 5-minute opening range here, and I decided to take it. I was hoping it would consolidate a little bit, maybe 2 to 5 more minutes, but it started popping up, and I knew I had to get in because it may run. So as it started to open up, I marketed in, and within a minute or two, it just peaked out at $8.58 or $9, and then halted. And then, as soon as it opened up, it came down and ran right back up within, less than 10-15 seconds. So I decided to hold a little bit longer. The stock seemed really, really strong, and I got out. First exit target was, I think $12. Then I parceled out here, and then I'll just let the remainder. What did I do? I think I got my last partial here, and I set the final at a profit stop around $12 or so. But that was a really good winner. My account went from negative for the challenge to positive just off that one trade. So that was the biggest trade today. This is really good price action. I wish I had the guts to load up and maybe buy 3 to 500 shares, but too concerned with risk. So I only bought 200 shares. Sold 100 here, 50 here, and then I think maybe 25. The remainder, don't know. But anyways, moving on. This was the next trade I took. ARM. Got in here. This action was not pretty scary, but it wasn't safe. I wasn't comfortable, but when it started to hold above the resistance, I decided to buy, but I only bought 20 shares because of the price action. I had to give it quite a bit of room. I felt like it needed $4 worth of wiggle room, so only 20 or 25 shares. Wish I could have bought 50 to 100. This would have been an easy. Man, this was easy money. I got out here thinking, again in the back of my mind, the past week or two, I just keep telling myself, take my profits quick, because I only had small shares. I just exited the position all right here, but man, the run up from 132 to 147 was cake, man, cake. I missed out 50 shares. I would have let more. Had I had 50 shares, I would have let more just ride. But that's ARM. Look at that. Two trades, two stocks that just ran ridiculously. And I mean, I did pretty solid with this one. But this one thing, FOMO hurts. IMBS, no. This was, oh yeah, so with BMR, this was the third trade. I decided to give it a shot. I almost bought here, but I'm thinking that's the old me. I'm not doing that no more. It's the 20's too far apart. It's not right in the 20 like I wanted to, so it's not a true bounce. But when I see this W pattern on the 20, now we're talking. Comes down, hammer, comes down again, kind of a hammer, and then this one really showed me, okay, the buyers are still in control, even though the candle's red. Now I need to get in. I'm trying to catch the bounce. Now with this, I think I bought 50 shares. Oh no, I didn't. I bought 25 shares, 20 or 25. Again, I don't, I'm up pretty decently at this point, and I did not want to lose my gains. So, small size. So I buy here. This candle makes me think, oh crap, here we go again. We're about to sell off, but it doesn't. But this candle here made me feel very confident. So I decided as soon as we go above this candle, I'm going to add, and I added here another 25 shares. So I got 50 shares in. My initial target was going to be 130. But again, I'm telling myself I need to learn how to get out faster. That's why I keep getting so many losing trades, because I'm not taking profits quick. And I'm glad I took profits here, or partial. And I took it here because of this. I forgot, what is this? Top of the VWAP. So it went to 2903 was the high pretty much here. So I just got out, took out a partial here, and I thought there was still another dollar or two for it to run, but just in case it doesn't, I put my break even or my stop loss at break even. So yeah, I was almost up, or maybe $200 here. But anyways, ended up, by the time I got stopped out, it was down to about $90 profit on that trade. So small. But here's the one trade I really should have took advantage of, and I was up big and I was just too scared to give anything back. But this is my type of short. It cracks the 20, and then it confirms, and by the time I saw it, it was a little too far down. And again, I'm thinking if I get in, I got to give it room. So I would have only bought 20 shares or so. So I stayed out of it. And like I said, I am too scared to give back any gains. So I just left it alone. I said I was good for the day. 3 winning trades, I'm out. 3 for 3. When it could have been easily 4 for 4. That's that. It's a nice little run. And this wasn't even on the radar. But given the gap up, and I caught it like around early 120. I'm thinking it might have another leg to go. So I put that on my watch list. Let's see what else. Oh, yeah, this show. Here's where I'm at. I didn't even realize I only have, less than half the trading days to meet my target, which sucks. Yeah, and I'm just over halfway to the mark of 1800. So I think if there's some decent activity, I can meet my target in the 30 days or in the amount of time I have left. We'll see. We shall see. There's a few other trades I think that I passed up on too. Let's see. Oh yeah, MGIH. I saw a decent trade, but I think there was a decent trade here. MGIH. What was it? MGIH. Oh yeah, this stock. I was considering buying here in this area, but ultimately I passed because this didn't seem to be as strong as I would have liked. Man, I didn't think much would come of it. And then this candle just flashes up and I just totally miss out on it. And by then, as it flashes up, it's too late for me to get in. And I have to just watch from afar. But yeah, next time though, I'll get a small piece of that action. That is all we got, folks. That's all I got. And this was just a death bar. This was seconds, I think. So, but yeah, good opportunities. I wish every day in the stock market was like this. It'd be easy to make $1 million. And lastly, even though today was a fairly easy day, I think in the past I would have overtraded, battled with FOMO quite a bit, and took more losing trades than necessary. And I think what makes today such a win is that not only did I turn my account from red to green, but I felt totally in control and had a lot of my psychological and emotional struggles. I had most of that at bay. So I think that was the real victory. I think that's another small step. Today was another small step towards improving my discipline and flexing that discipline muscle, gaining discipline. So that's the key part of all this. That's pretty much it.